Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom team member accordion widget in Elementor using Elementor Angie AI plugin. Let me show you an example. Here I'm on the demo website and I have created a team member accordion widget using an AI plugin. This is the first team member. You will see the image of the team member. Here in the left hand side, you will see the information about this team member. Name, job title, the biography. Below that we have icons for email, phone number, LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. It is a fully customizable custom widget. You can change the background color. You can also change the text color and the icon color. If I click on the second team member, it is going to minimize the first team member and it is going to highlight the second team member. And you will see the information about this second team member. Let's click on the third one and you will see all the information about this team member. And this is the fourth team member. Let me show you the custom widget here. You will see the team members here. If I click on team member, you will see all the information about this team member. You can change the information here. You can add a phone number. If you want to add more team members, you will see an option to add more team members. At the top, you will see style settings, and these are the basic style settings of this custom widget. To create this custom Elementor widget, I'm going to use Elementor Angie AI plugin, Agentic AI for WordPress. It is not only for the Elementor website. If you do not have Elementor website, you can still install it on any WordPress website. And using this AI plugin, you can create Elementor widgets. You can also create WordPress admin snippets, website snippets, visual apps, custom post types and fields. While recording this video, the Elementor Angie AI plugin is free to install on any WordPress website. You will get daily AI credits that you can use to create different snippets and custom widgets. So I'm going to show you how you can install this plugin and how you can create a custom team member accordion widget in Elementor using this plugin. So let's see how did this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo website that I have created using Elementor. Now we are going to create a custom team member accordion widget using Elementor Angie plugin. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new plugin. If you have not installed the Angie plugin, you can search for the Angie plugin. Here search for the plugin Angie, A-N-G-I-E. This is the plugin Angie Agentic AI and it is in beta mode. I have already installed and activated this plugin. If you have not installed this plugin, you will see an option to install this plugin. Click on install and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, in the left hand panel, you will see Angie. Click on it and you will be on the dashboard of this plugin. It will ask you to create an account on Elementor website. If you do not have an account on Elementor, you can create a free account on Elementor. After creating an account, it will ask you to log into the account and it will connect your website automatically with Elementor. Here I have already connected this website with Elementor and the Angie plugin is activated. We are on the dashboard. And here you will see some feature ideas and prompts that you can use to create custom widgets and snippets. At the top, you will see some filter options. If I go to Elementor widgets, you will see some pre-designed templates or the prompts that you can use to create these types of widgets. You can also create WordPress admin snippets. If you do not have Elementor, you can still install this plugin and create different snippets like speed test widget, publishing activity widget, custom post type. Here you will see website snippets. You can create website snippet. In one of the previous videos, I've shown you how you can create back to top button using Elementor Angie. Now in this video, we are going to create a team member accordion widget, which is a part of Elementor widget. So let's go to Elementor widget. Here you will see the option team slider accordion. This is the widget that we are going to create. If you do not see it here, you can click on more ideas and it will open the prompt library. In the left hand panel, again, you will see Elementor widgets. Click on Elementor widgets and you will see many other widgets that you can add to your Elementor website. In previous video, I've shown you how you can create the WooCommerce product marquee widget and how you can create before and after image slider widget. Now we are going to use this prompt, team member accordion widget. Let's click on try prompt. And it will add that prompt in Elementor Angie. This is the prompt. Let me copy this prompt and let's open it in a notepad and let's see what do we have in this prompt. Create a custom Elementor widget called Interactive Team Accordion. It should show team members as a series of vertical image strips. By default, all images must have a 100% grayscale filter. When an item is clicked, it should expand smoothly to reveal the content area on the left and the full color image on the right. The content area should include name, job title, social icons, and a bio. Include a repeater control for the members. Use vanilla.js for the click interaction and CSS transition. If you want to customize this prompt, you can customize this prompt. If you want to add any other feature, you can add additional feature to this prompt. I'm going to keep it as it is and I'm going to use the same prompt. So let's go back and enter the prompt. Now it is going to work on it. It is going to take 3 to 5 minutes to create the custom widget. Alright, so it says the interactive team accordion is ready in test mode. And here is what to do next, what is included and where it is saved. Here you will see a reload page. I'm going to click on reload the page. Alright, so it says publish this widget to live. So I'm going to click on publish to live. This widget will be live. Alright, so it is done. Here you will see Angie in test mode. I'm going to close it, publish selected and exit. And now we are back to the website. At the top you will see Angie. Click on it and it will close the sidebar. If you want to open the Angie sidebar, you can click on Angie and it will open the sidebar. So let's close it and let's go to pages. We are going to add this widget on one of the pages. Here I'm using Elementor and I have about us page. Let's click on edit with Elementor for this page. Let's scroll down and here I have a section. Let's click on plus sign and we are going to add the widget here. In the left hand panel you will see all the elements that you can add on your website. At the top we have atomic elements. I'm going to close it. Then we have atomic forms. I'm going to close it. And below that you will see custom widgets. All the widgets that you're going to create using Angie plugin will be saved under custom widgets. So this is the widget that we just created. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. So this is how it will look. Let's click on it. And here you will see the name, then job title, biography, and 3 social media links. And here we can add an image. So I'm going to click on image and I'm going to select one of the demo image that I already have on this website. All right, so you will see an image here. Let's add URL. I'm going to enter a dummy URL here. Let's say linkedin.com. For the Twitter, let's try x.com. And for the Facebook, let's try https facebook.com. Here you can change the name of the team member and the job title as well as the biography. Let's go to the second team member. This is the name of the second team member. Let's add an image for this member. I'm using some dummy content here. And we have name, title, biography. Again, we have social media links. I'm going to add google.com for everything. So let's copy it. Let's try using only LinkedIn and Twitter. Let's go to the third option. Let's click on image and let's add a new image. All right, let's try this one. Okay, and for the social media, I'm going to use 3 links. Now, if you want to add more team members, you can click on add item and enter the image, enter the name and the job title, biography, and the social media links. So now we have 4 team members here. Let's click on publish and let's see how does this look. Click on view page. Scroll down and you will see this team member accordion. So this is the first team member. If I click on it, it is going to open the second team member, then third team member, and the fourth team member. All right, you will see the name of the team member here. The image of the team member which is not active has image overlay color. And when I click on it, it is going to open the actual image like this. All right, so the team member accordion is working properly. Let's go to About Us page again. And let's go to style settings. So these are the style settings. You can expand the scale like this. Okay. Then we have container height. You can increase the container height also. Let's make it 500 pixel. Below that we have transition duration. Then we have typography and colors. name color, you will see the name color here. Let's change the name color. Let's make it somewhat yellow, and you will see the change here. Typography, you can change the typography. You can increase the size and the font family for different text. This is the job title. Again, you can change the color, bio color. This is the bio color. Typography, social icon colors. Let's change the social icon colors. Now here I do not have an option to change the background color of this accordion section, and we have an option to add 3 social media icons. I also want to add phone number and email address for each team member. So now we are going to customize this widget, and let's add more features to this widget. Let's click on publish and let's see how the changes look. Let's refresh it, and you will see increase in the size, and you will also see the change in the colors. Right now, let's go back to dashboard, and here under Angie you will see an option code snippets. Let's go to code snippets. Under code snippets, you will see all the widgets and the snippets that you have created using Elementor Angie. Now I want to customize this, and I want to add more features to this interactive team accordion widget. So I'm going to click on edit with Angie, and here you will see a prompt to customize this widget. So here you will see describe changes. I'm going to delete that one, and I'm going to add a prompt. All right, so here is the new prompt. I want to add email and phone number icons to team member along with the other social media icons. Under style settings, I also want an option to customize the team member accordion background colors. So let's enter this prompt, and it is going to work on it. It is going to add these features to the existing custom widget. Again, it is going to take 3 to 5 minutes to make changes. All right, so it says interactive team accordion updated. Click on a reload page. All right, so it is now published. I'm going to close this Angie sidebar and close the Angie test mode, publish selected, and exit. All right, and you will see that it is now published and 2 revisions. Now let's go back to website. Let's refresh it. Scroll down, click on this widget. Let's go to style settings, and now here you will see an option to customize this background color. So if I click on it, I can change the background color like this. So it is a fully customizable widget. Let's go to content. Let's go to the first team member. If I scroll down, you will see an option to add email address and phone number. So I can add email address here. Let's add dummy email address here, and phone number also. Right, and you will see that here. So we have got email address and the phone number also. Let's click on publish. Let's go back to the page, refresh it, and you will see 2 more icons are added: email address, phone number, and we are able to change the background color for this accordion section. So if you want to add interactive team member accordion widget to your Elementor website, you can try using the Elementor Angie AI plugin. While recording this video, Elementor Angie plugin is free to use. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.